If you shop online and want to save without doing extra work, Capital One Shopping might be the easiest rewards tool out there. In this 2025 update, let's break down exactly how Capital One Shopping rewards work and whether they're worth your clicks. So, Capital One Shopping is a free browser extension. Let's see here, it's prompting me to download said extension. You can opt to add that extension later. And it helps you find discounts and earn rewards while shopping online, even if you're not a Capital One cardholder. Once installed, it automatically applies coupon codes at checkout, compares prices across sites, and most importantly, it earns shopping rewards, which can later be redeemed for gift cards. Here's the heart of it. When you shop at a partner stores through Capital One Shopping, you'll earn a percentage back in what they call shopping rewards. You earn a commission when you make eligible purchases from featured merchants, and we may share those commissions with you as rewards. Rewards stack quietly in your account, and once you hit the minimum threshold, usually about $5, you can redeem them for digital gift cards from brands like Amazon, Walmart, and Lowe's, and dozens more. What's great is that you don't have to remember to activate anything. As long as the browser extension is running and you're shopping at a participating store, rewards automatically apply. In 2025, Capital One Shopping continues to expand its partner store list and has improved mobile shopping rewards via its app. That means you're not limited to the desktop anymore. Earning while shopping on your phone is now just as seamless with the Capital One Shopping app. They've also added real-time reward tracking, so you can see pending and earned and redeemed rewards all in one place. And for Capital One card holders, there's a tighter integration between shopping rewards and your account dashboard. But again, you don't need a Capital One card to do any of these things. So, are you going to apply to that? Let me know in the comments. And if not, also let me know why. Thank you so much for watching.